Hey there, Vinny from Project Frugal. Time to get up on the roof again? Let's go. Back on the roof again? Time to get into it. Here we go, here's some rusty nails. Well, they were rusty nails until I pulled them out, so pretty big gaping hole there. There's another one here. So we're just basically going over the whole roof, picking out anything that looks marginally dodgy. Yep. And then if it is dodgy, give it a wire brush, clean it up a bit. That's a pretty big gaping hole there, really. Right, that's going to go straight through. We're going to put this in anyway, and we're going to put a band-aid over the top. It's almost like an extra bit of tin. That's the way I'm looking at it. Right, this is Gilsoflex. Dab it on. It's a rust repellent. And we got a piece of hemp membrane. Let's place that over the top. Give it a pat down, and tomorrow when it's dry, we'll seal it again with some more Gilsoflex. Okay, same deal here. Pulled that nail out. Another one here. Another one here. We'll clean it up with the wire brush. Drive a screw in. And we'll put some more Gilsoflex on top of it. Well, it looks like I've threaded the 8mm socket, so I've got another one. We'll try again. In the meantime, it's rather hot out here on the roof, so we'll have an Asahi. Nice. we're going to split these suckers up hard, because these ones are marginal at best. That'll do me for today. Come back tomorrow, do some more. See you later.